What if your nails could talk? What secrets would they reveal about your health? We often focus on our skin and hair, overlooking the fascinating world of our nails. Nails are not just aesthetic canvases for colorful polish. They are intricate structures that silently reflect our inner health. Changes in their texture, color, or growth patterns can provide valuable clues about underlying medical conditions, vitamin deficiencies, or even serious diseases. Think of your nails as tiny windows into your body's overall well-being. By understanding the subtle signs and signals they present, we can gain valuable insights into our health. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of nails, uncovering the hidden truths they hold and empowering you to interpret their silent language. Prepare to be amazed by the wealth of information these unassuming structures possess. To understand the messages our nails convey, we must first understand their structure. Nails are made of keratin, a protein also found in hair and skin. They consist of several parts: the nail plate, the visible part we grow and paint, the nail bed, the soft tissue beneath the plate, the cuticle, the thin tissue protecting the nail matrix, and the nail matrix, the hidden powerhouse where nail cells are produced. The nail matrix is the heart of nail growth. It dictates the speed and health of nail production. Factors like age, genetics, nutrition, and overall health directly impact matrix activity, influencing how fast or strong our nails grow. On average, fingernails grow about 1/10 of a millimeter daily, while toenails grow slower. Changes in nail growth, therefore, can be telling. Slowed growth might indicate underlying health conditions, while accelerated growth can be linked to certain medications or even stress. The nail plate itself, with its smooth surface, can develop ridges, dents, or discoloration, each telling a story about potential imbalances within the body. We often associate vibrant nail polish with beauty and style, but the natural color of our nails is equally important. A healthy nail plate typically exhibits a pinkish hue, reflecting the blood vessels beneath the nail bed. However, changes in nail color can signal a range of health issues. Pale or white nails, for instance, might indicate anemia, a condition characterized by low red blood cell count. A bluish tint, known as cyanosis, could signal poor blood circulation or low oxygen levels in the blood. Yellowing of the nails, especially in older adults, is often associated with fungal infections, but can also be a sign of underlying lung or liver conditions. Furthermore, dark streaks or lines on the nails, particularly in individuals with darker skin tones, should always be examined by a dermatologist. While they can be harmless, they might also indicate melanoma, a serious type of skin cancer that can affect the nail matrix. Often dismissed as mere imperfections, ridges and lines on our nails can actually be significant markers of internal health. Vertical ridges, running from the cuticle to the tip, are common and usually harmless, often becoming more prominent with age. However, deep or discolored vertical ridges could suggest nutrient deficiencies or thyroid problems. Horizontal ridges, also known as Bowes lines, are more concerning. These deep grooves that run across the width of the nail often indicate a sudden disruption in nail growth. They can be triggered by high fever, severe infections, malnutrition, or even chemotherapy. Other nail surface abnormalities also offer valuable health clues. Small white spots, often caused by minor trauma, are usually harmless and grow out with the nail. Pitting, characterized by small depressions on the nail surface, is strongly associated with psoriasis, an autoimmune skin condition. Section 5. When nails turn brittle. Decoding the underlying causes. Brittle nails prone to splitting, peeling, or breaking are a common complaint. While external factors like excessive hand washing, harsh chemicals, or frequent use of nail polish remover can contribute to brittleness, internal factors often play a significant role. One of the most common culprits is dehydration. Just like our skin, our nails need adequate moisture to stay strong and flexible. Inadequate water intake can lead to dry, brittle nails. Similarly, nutritional deficiencies, particularly iron deficiency, can manifest as brittle or spoon-shaped nails. Thyroid disorders, both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism, can also disrupt nail health, leading to brittleness, slow growth, or separation from the nail bed. Other conditions like fungal infections, eczema, or lichen planus can also cause nail changes, including brittleness, thickening, or discoloration. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction. Common nail myths debunked. Numerous myths and misconceptions surround nail health, often passed down through generations. Let's debunk some of these common myths and replace them with evidence-based information. Myth: cutting your nails at night makes them grow faster. Fact: nail growth is determined by the nail matrix and is not affected by the time of day you trim them. Myth: biotin supplements will instantly strengthen weak nails. Fact: while biotin deficiency can contribute to nail problems, simply taking supplements without addressing underlying deficiencies might not yield desired results. Myth: filing your nails in one direction prevents splitting. Fact: while sawing back and forth aggressively can weaken nails, gentle filing in any direction is generally safe. Myth: gel manicures are inherently bad for your nails. Fact: while frequent gel manicures can dehydrate nails, proper application and removal techniques, along with adequate hydration, can minimize damage. Section 7. The future of nail care. Advancements in dermatology. Dermatology is constantly evolving, and with it, our understanding of nail health and care. Researchers are delving deeper into the intricate connections between nail conditions and systemic diseases, paving the way for earlier diagnosis and more effective treatments. New diagnostic tools are being developed to analyze nail composition and detect subtle changes that might indicate underlying health issues. For instance, laser-based techniques are being explored to assess blood flow in the nail bed, potentially aiding in the diagnosis of circulatory problems. Furthermore, personalized nail care regimens are gaining traction, with dermatologists recommending specific products and treatments based on individual nail type, lifestyle, and any underlying health concerns. Nanotechnology is also being explored to develop nail care products with enhanced penetration and efficacy, delivering targeted treatments to improve nail health. Section 8. Listen to your nails. Early detection for optimal health. Our nails, often overlooked in our pursuit of beauty and self-care, are powerful messengers of our inner health. By paying attention to their subtle cues, changes in color, texture, growth, or strength, we can gain valuable insights into our overall well-being. Early detection of nail abnormalities can be crucial in identifying and addressing underlying health conditions before they escalate. While not every nail change signals a serious problem, it's always wise to consult a dermatologist for proper diagnosis and guidance. Remember, healthy nails are not just about aesthetics, they are a reflection of a healthy body. By understanding the fascinating language of our nails, debunking common myths, and embracing the latest advancements in dermatology, we can empower ourselves to take proactive steps towards optimal health and well-being. So the next time you admire your manicured nails, take a moment to appreciate the silent story they tell, a story that can guide you towards a healthier, happier you.